I'm going to show you how to compose an email and have it sent at some future date. So I would start by composing in Gmail an email like I normally would. So in this case, I'll just send it to myself and then put whatever my message is. You can copy and paste just like you normally would in Gmail. Instead of clicking on send, I'm going to go over here to this arrow that says more send options. So when I click on more send options, there's an option here that says schedule send. So once I do that, you can see it gives me some different default options. But I can also go down here where it says pick date and time and click that. I can then go and scroll through my calendar, pick a day, set whatever time I want, and then when I click on schedule send, it will send that email. So to go through it one more time, compose email, wherever I'm going to send it to, whatever it's going to say, click on the down arrow, go to schedule send, pick a date and time. Now you'll notice as soon as I do that, it gives me at the bottom an option to view the message or undo. But also here on the side, there's a section called scheduled. If I click on scheduled, it will show me all my messages. I can select them, I can see what they look like, I can cancel them, I could print it if for some reason I want to keep a printed record, or I could click on the delete here and get rid of the message.